Hej venner, vinker.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to say, I am about to run out of time, in Danish. And not just that. I'll walk you through how to actually use it like a native speaker so you can speak more naturally and confidently. If you're learning Danish or just love languages, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more useful Danish phrases and grammar tips every day. Let's jump in and start learning.
Jeg er ved at løbe tør for tid. Ja.
Means I, pronounced
Yeah.
similar to the y in yes, but slightly longer and more emphasized. It's the first person singular personal pronoun in Danish.
Er.
Means am, pronounced
Er.
like the air in airplane, but slightly shorter and with a schwa sound like the in, about. It's the present tense form of the verb
Er være.
to be, conjugated for the first person singular.
Ved.
Means am, or is, in the context of a continuous action. Pronounced
Ved.
like way, but with a shorter and less emphasized vowel sound. It is a prepositional particle used before the infinitive, creating a present continuous tense.
At.
Means to, but here it acts as a particle indicating the infinitive. Pronounced
A.
similar to the English are in expressing surprise. It's an infinitive marker linking the following verb
Løbe.
to the
Ved.
particle.
Løbe.
Means to run or to run out. Pronounced
Løb.
løbe with a longer o sound. It's the infinitive form of the verb, meaning to run. In this context, it conveys the sense of something running out.
Tør.
Means dry or out of. Pronounced
Tur.
similar to the English word tour, but shorter. Here, it's an adjective describing the state of
Tid.
time.
For.
Means for, pronounced
For.
similar to the English word for. It's a preposition indicating the thing that is running out. In this case,
Tid.
time
Tid.
means time, pronounced
Tid.
similar to the English word tide, but slightly shorter and with a hard t sound. It's a noun, the object of the preposition.
For.
Putting it together
Jeg er ved at løbe tør for tid.
means I am running out of time, or I am about to run out of time. It expresses a sense of urgency and lack of sufficient time. If you found this helpful and want way more examples just like this, check out my book, Danish Cramming. Master 4,300 plus words with 1,900 plus sentences for fluency. It's packed with real-life sentences, smart grammar explanations, and vocabulary you'll actually use in Denmark or with native speakers. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up for advanced fluency, this book is built to get you results. There's an ebook, paperback, and even a premium hardcover version available. Whatever suits your learning style best. Just click the link in the description below to check it out on Amazon and grab your copy today. Thanks for watching.
Vi ses næste gang.